Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out of the car. All of it. You paying all of it. You paying all of this up for her.
I'm trying to figure out why you so big and your voice so small. I don't like that.
What's big besides my Chanel purse?
Your upper body.
Huh?
Hey beautiful, it's Ashley Desires and I'm here again with another video. And this story time will be short because the scene was short because I'm gonna tell you. And I know I was gone for 2 weeks. You know, I have a pattern, okay? I have a story time or whatever video and then hair. The hair always had to come after because, you know, I have clientele and I want to gain more clients, so I need to produce videos and show other people around the world what I can do, and they want to purchase hair from me. So I have a whole process, but I couldn't. The video that I recorded, I hated it for my hair, so I was like, yikes, not gonna post this up. Quality every single time. All right, so before I begin this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Also, if you are interested in this tropical realness, don't forget this hair is from Beautiful Desires from my collection. The link is in my description box. Click down below for any of my bundles, closures, frontals, wigs, custom wigs, lace front wigs, full lace wigs. This is a lace front wig right here that I color in the front, having this little, you know, real tropical realness, looking real easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget that. Also, if you want to book with me, the link is in my description box. And now that I am done letting you know about the goodness of Jesus with this hair, let's get on with this video. In this story time, I was learning how to drive. You know, my dad was teaching me, and I believe I was somewhere in high school, I believe. So I was learning, and my dad was very frantic. Like, not frantic, he was very nervous. My dad kind of stressed me out when he was teaching me how to drive, because it was like, no, wait,
go crazy, go stupid,
it was like a lot of and I was just like, oh my God, like, this is too much pressure for me. So when my dad teaching me, we were literally driving around where my shop is actually now, but where my dad, he had an office here before me. We would drive around there. So, you know, I would be going around in circles and parking here and doing that and yada yada yada, you know, to teach me how to drive, backing up, doing all of this stuff. You know, it was all different type of lessons that my dad had. So, you know, I thought I was doing good. One time my dad was like, you know, I'm not even gonna look at you. I'm gonna, you know, be on my phone and you drive. You know, you got this. You got this. So, you know, I was doing good by myself. I was driving, hitting the little turns, hitting the little reverse, hitting the little side, you know, all that stuff. So it was around the time I needed to like leave, right? I needed to go home, and my dad needed to go to his house first. So what we did was, my dad let me drive on the road. I was kind of nervous, so, you know. So I'm driving on the road, right? Driving on the road, and we get to his house, and my dad lives in an apartment complex, and where my dad parks, there's a big old brick. There's like a big old brick wall. So I'm driving in the complex, and then I get to his parking space, and I'm, you know, aiming to turn into his parking space. Now, you guys, you ever heard when doves cry? I'm kidding. You ever heard when something goes do 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 and you have no mind? You just, I'm just rambling because like I was so scared. Okay, you know how when something happens and you're in shock? That's what I was in. So while I'm turning to get to his parking space, I'm thinking I'm doing good or whatever. My dad's not paying attention to me, you know, he's just chilling. He's like, he has his trust in me. I trust you, Ashley. I trust you, girl. I trust you, girl. Well, he lost out trust me that day. Let me tell you, tell me why his side mirror, I hit his side mirror with the wall. With the wall, child. With the wall. With the wall of Jericho. I hit the side mirror, and I was in so much shock that I didn't even like much press the brakes, okay? Thank God for the parking stumps, because if it wasn't, we probably would have been going into another car. I have never been so scared in my life, you guys. But what my dad was saying to me just made it even worse. Listen here, listen.
Ashipu, you really mash up my car. Nobody tell me say you really mash up my car. You can't drive. You don't know how to drive? Me teach you how to drive all them years and you don't know how to drive? Me can't believe say you don't know how to drive. I buy your license? Come out of the car. Come out of the car. Because right now you can't drive my car again. And as a matter of fact, well, when you get the car, you're not even going to drive that car when me get you on a car, you're not even going to drive that the car there.
My dad was like, get out the car. Get out the car. Get out of the car. And that's what I did. I got out that car. I put the car in park and I got out the car. And I was like, I looked at the mirror and I was like, oh my God. There was a mirror right here. And now it's not. The mirror, the side mirror was on the floor, y'all. It was on the floor. It was on the floor. I'm just like, gosh, I did some damage. Now who gonna fix it? And I was like, Daddy, I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to do it. I really thought I was, you know, turning or whatever. Well, now backstory, my dad has an infinity truck. You know them big old infinity trucks? That's the truck that my dad had at the time, and that thing is huge, all on the sides. It looks like a big old, it looks like it has 2 horns on the side. That truck was so big, I thought I had control of it, but obviously I didn't. So I was like, you know, Daddy, I'm very sorry. I know it's gonna cost you a lot of money, but I'm very, very sorry. My dad was like, cost me money? Girl, you paying this. You paying all of this. All of it. You are paying all of this. All of this. All of this. All of it. You paying all of it. All of it. All of it. All of it. You paying all of it. You paying all of this up for her. Because I'm not paying for this. This is your fault. And you need to learn you need to learn responsibilities. Yeah. I'm not paying for this. So you better find some money to pay for it. We're gonna go to the dealership and we're gonna talk to them and see how much it was. Now, you know I said my daddy has an Infinity, right? And them cars is expensive. Well, it came to $200 and I was like in high school and I didn't have a job. So I lied to my mom and told her that I broke my laptop and she bought me the laptop, but not really. I went and bought the laptop with, you know, her money with her, and then I found the receipt, took the laptop back. What the laptop? What? I took the laptop back, got the money, and gave it to my dad. Now, my mom doesn't know any of this. You guys better not tell her. If I find out that any of you guys tell her the story, I promise you, I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna cut you. Don't do it. But yeah, y'all, I had to tell my mom, hey mom, I really need a laptop. My laptop, mind you, my laptop was actually messing up. Told my mom, because my mom and dad they're not together, they're divorced. So I told mom, I was like, yeah mom, like my laptop really is broken and I really need a new one, man. And she's like, oh okay, let's go and get one. So we went and got the laptop. I went and got the laptop and I was like, oh my gosh, this laptop's so good. Like, thank you so much. The laptop was amazing. But I had to pay my dad back. Well, I had to pay for the mirror. Well, I had to pay him back because he already bought it. He's like, you pay me back, girl. You pay for all of this. So I had to pay my dad back. I said goodbye to the computer, the laptop, and I was like, I'm gonna miss you, laptop. I'm gonna miss you. Brought the laptop back, got the $200, and my dad was like, wow, you got that $200 real quick. I'm like, yeah, I know. Work hard, play hard, right? That's what they say. Really wish I had that laptop now because my laptop is acting crazy. But yeah, that is the ending of that story time. My dad let me drive again, and in the next story time, you'll see how I got into another accident. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.